LG WM3555HVA is easily one of the top washing machines of 2024, landing itself a well-deserved second place in the rankings. Its clever design combines a roomy 2.4 cubic foot capacity with a sleek compact frame that fits snugly in smaller spaces or closets. This means you don't need a huge laundry room to get your washing done efficiently. What sets this washer apart is how it takes the guesswork out of doing laundry. Thanks to its smart AI technology, it picks the best wash settings for your clothes, so everything from jeans to delicate shirts comes out looking great. And for those who struggle with allergies, it's a breath of fresh air. The washer's allergene cycle uses steam to pull out allergens from fabrics, making it a bit of a hero for sensitive skin. Adding to its appeal is the compatibility with the LG ThinkQ app. It's pretty neat. You get updates and maintenance alerts on your phone, which can really help in keeping the machine running smoothly without any surprises. But perhaps the coolest feature is the ventless condensing drying tech. It's perfect for places where you can't set up a traditional vent, offering a straightforward installation almost anywhere. Also, the sensor dry function is something to talk about. It adjusts drying time on its own, which is not just good for saving energy, but also means your clothes won't get over-dried and worn out. This is a quality product, and all we can do is recommend it.